Today we're playing Don't Press the Button 4, guys. So we're gonna. Oh my god. Oh, don't tell me this game. Oh my god, this looks so weird. Oh yeah, we're gonna play this game. Yeah, we just died. Looks extremely cool. Press the button. There we go. Find the correct pad. This one. Crap! I'm not find it. What? No one found the correct pad, didn't they? Huh? Press the button. Jump over the incoming lasers. Incoming lasers. Oof, boy, did them all, boy. Alright, yeah. Playing Don't Press the Button 4 because the third one, I couldn't find it. It wasn't by the same owner. Bad with it. Oh, God! Button presser. Hey, hey! That's me. Look at me, bro. Looks so nice. My wings, though. Wee. Alright, come on. Boombox, triple hook, VIP gamer. Watch is gonna struck lightning on me, though. Think speed coil, porter shooter, and. What you got, bro? Oh, you're sipping on a sword. Oh, what's wrong with your head, though? Your head, though. Look at your head, bro. It's as big as a bowling ball. No cap, bro. Your head. Your head, though. Whose head is it? Oh, never mind. Why did they got a brown skin and white face? How was that? Jump over the lasers. Really, bro? This guy again? You really think you could? I just died. There's no one even surviving. Oh my god, yeet. Hurry, reach to the top. What? That is not fair! That's not even fair. That's not even fair right there. Not even fair right there. Fair right there. It's not even fair right there. Not even fair! Never reach it to the top. We're already at the top, so we're okay. It's only literally only one girl, so really doesn't matter. What do you drink? Oh, bro, you got me some pizza, bro. Yeah, nice, bro. Nice, bro. How much does this cost? We're gonna get coin shop. Coin shop. 20 bucks. What's all this? Lay them on the ground. Oh, I might like this game. This might be my favorite game now. Pressure, get the red coins. No! Give me some red coins. Give me the red coins, you son of crap. Come on, man. They didn't even give me crap. Actually, you didn't even get one coin. I probably got. Get to the water. Well, we're already at the water, though, so. How do we get to the water? We're in the water, bro. Bro, your head, though. Your head, big as crap. How did we die? How did we die? Wait, what? What is it? Sand on this or something? Press on the book. Knowledge. What are we supposed to do? Knowledge. Oh, it says knowledge. So find the hole in the wall. Find the hole in the wall. Oh my god! I hate this thing. Why me? Oh, I'm getting the cage. Oh! You son of a. You're an actual son of a bill. Son of a something. What is this? 100 coins. For me to get. Bro! Every time I land, it literally just spawns me in dang freaking acid or whatever it's. Ooh. That's what the talking about can. Yes, boy! Think good. So, can we drop now? Or we gonna have to make drop? Wee! Alright, come on. Hurry up, boy, hurry up. Skirt. Oh, there we go. Where are we? Oh, okay. We can't zoom in. Okay. I feel like we're going the wrong way, but we're just going this way anyway. I know it's the wrong way. Guys? You guys there? You there? I think we just... Hey, wait, are we there? Is this where we... Oh, this is where we came in, dude. Where are we? This is the wrong way. Like, just right here. So, like, I want to know how to get out of here. Oh, it was literally all the way over here, dude. Watch out for the snowballs. Watch out for the coins. I need to... Ah! You really gotta do me like that, though. You actually gotta do me like that. Just stand on the... Oh, God! It actually comes in the button as well. Stand on the button. We're just gonna do it again. I hate this. I hate the snowballs. The snowballs are bad. Please don't throw another... Oh, my God. Of course they throw another snowball here. Please don't throw another... Oh, my God! Throw another God snowball. Gotta go fast. We gotta go... Where'd he go? We gotta go fast. Of course we gotta go fast. What is that sound I made though? Let's make rainbows. We're gonna make rainbows. We're gonna make rainbows. They're rainbows. They're easy. Taste the rainbow. Feel the rainbow. Wear the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Someone like stuff now? Can I keep on going? Oh, I'm gonna... A giant volcano. Watch out. Where? Where's the volcano? What is that? Those are cubes. Not even a volcano. Why is there wood? I just realized there's some wood over here. I'm just gonna stand with the wood. And I died. Why are you gonna do me like that? I'm just gonna stand right here. Right here. Nothing can happen, right? I'm gonna do my chocolate milk with you. Very tasty, bro. So like, what is this then? And it's not even good to get it, so. Oh my God, I wasn't even going on. What is going on, dude? Here we get to the other side. Ah! Why is he gonna do me like that, dude? Sup? You know, like, I'm gonna kick your puppy. No, I'm lying, guys. I'm not a puppy kicker, but 30 yes. Pizza, bro. Pizza. Pizza. Every day is pizza day. Yeah. Why is she not getting to the other side? Wait a minute. Why is it not getting to the... Money, 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 money. Fine, I got that first. Hey, hey, hey. Coming right here. Let's go. Oh, no, dude. Gift. I don't have Robux. Don't Robux. Alright, I got Robux. Jump over the incoming lasers. Okay. No! Why you gonna do this to me? Fall right there. Bye-bye, boys. Going down to the... I'm gonna use my chocolate milk. And my pizza. Woo! Oh my God, just kill me. How many money do we get from this? Take this. See that we can't buy that. Stop the damn shot. What's going on? What just happened? What happened? Oh my God, what just happened? Did I glitch? I think I glitched. Oh no, I didn't. Think fast. What? That is not fair, dude. You literally just ditched all of us. I'm gonna land right on top of the button. Be careful. What do you mean, be careful? Okay. Oh God, that's a lot to do. Oh my God. Where is he going? You gonna get here? Bro? You gonna get here, bro? Alright, bro. Ooh, she gonna make it. She made it. Yeah. It's an avocado, guys. Get to the top. What do you mean get to the top? Oh, we gotta do this now? We can get a lot more of these. Just get to the top. Hey, again. It's kind of like, what if I jump off? So did I still get money? So this is gonna be right here. Alright, come on, let's make it back to the top. 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 My head dropped. Oh, I still won. Hey, hey. Reach the top. What do you mean, where? To where? To where? Over here? Where do we? Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, okay. We got fluffy clouds. Alright, I like this game so far. Alright, come on, let's make it over there, that cloud. Let's make it to that next cloud over there. No, no, no! No, I don't like this! I don't like this. We can't make it to the top anymore. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. No, we cannot. No, we cannot. Special shop. Special shop. Alright, come on, come on, come on. You're not reaching to the top, though, so I think we'll be able to. Really? Really banana, though. Gotta go. Okay, we're not even gonna do anything. How much is the bond? 9,000? What do you mean 9,000? All of this is gonna be. Okay, guys, you want to end the video? Subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, comment which game next.